welcome back. Hope you're doing well. My name is Cynthia. If you're here for the first time, you're welcome to the channel. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for always coming back. Thank you for your support and your love towards this channel. May God bless you all. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing us how to make this beautiful dress with both sides slits. So I'll be making use of this crepe fabric. I have 2 yards of crepe fabric. So we'll go ahead and fold our fabric. I will fold it this way. It's folded into 2. I'll fold it again into 4. Now I have my fabric folded into 4. This is my starting line. My dress length is 61 inches plus sewing allowance. Go ahead and place the measurement. Half of my shoulder measurement is 8 inches. I'll be cutting the shoulder and the sleeve together. So I will add 8 inches for my sleeve measurement and 1 inch for hemming allowance. That's 9 inches. So I'm adding 9 inches for the sleeve, both hemming allowance. What I have here altogether is 17 inches. I'll mark 3.5 inches for the neck width. I'll mark 1.5 inches for the back depth and 3.5 inches for the front depth. I will connect the back and the front neckline. I will go to the side here and mark 1.5 inches for shoulder slope. I will connect the shoulder slope to the neckline. Right from the shoulder slope, I will take my arm opening. I will mark 10 inches for the arm opening and mark 1 inch for allowance. That's 11 inches. I will make a straight line here. I'll make a line here. So right on this arm opening, I will mark 1/4 of my hip measurement plus ease allowance. The hip measurement is 46 inches divided by 4 is 11.5 inches. I'll mark 3 inches for ease and 1 inch for sewing allowance. So I will mark this all through. I'll mark 15.5 inches all through. I'll make a straight line here all through to the length. I will go to this armhole area here and come inside by 1 inch. It makes it to relax very well. Right from here, I'll connect it to this 1 inch I went inside. So I will make a curve here. I'll measure from the shoulder to the waist, which is 17.5 inches. I'm creating this because of the band at the back side. The band actually sits on top of the back hip. So you go down a little bit from the waistline. So I will mark about 1.5 inches right from the waist. That's the band. So I will check how many inches elastic band I have here. My elastic band is 1.5 inches. I came down from the waistline by 1.5 inches. This is just for the back. If you look at the picture, there's an extension. He extended a little bit before they add the band to it. I will be creating the extension. So I will go out by 1 inch. Then add half inch. Add half inch sewing allowance. This space is for the band. That's it. I'll go ahead and cut it out. I'm cutting out the back. I will cut out the front neckline and make a front slit. This is the front neckline. So we measure 4 inches for the slit. I measure 4 inches for the slit. I'll just mark about 1/4 of an inch here, then connect it to the tip here. So I went inside by 1/4 of an inch. Now connect it. I'll cut this part out. I will go ahead and cut the facing. I will place it underneath it. I want the facing to be a little bit wide on the upper part here. My facing is folded into 2. So this is where the slit ends. I will mark extra 4 inches there. So I have 5 inches at the upper part here. Cut it out. I will connect it right from here to this 4 inches. I will iron interfacing on it to keep it firm. So I will also cut out the back facing. For the front side, I added 5 inches for this upper part. I will still add 5 inches right on the back side. So I went down by 4 inches for the front. I will do the same thing for the back also. 4 inches, then connect it like so. I will cut out the band. So this is the back side. I'm measuring this place to know how many inches band I will be cutting out. Supposed to measure here all through, but because of the extension we have here, I will take it inside. I will fold this inside, place it like so. I won't start the measurement from here because this is already here. This will push to the back side. So I will start the measurement right from here. So I will cut out 14 inches. Folded into 2 is 14 inches. I will be cutting out 28 inches for the band. The length of the band is 28 inches. The wideness is 2.5 inches because the elastic is 1.5 inches. I will add 1 inch for sewing allowance. I've ironed a very light interfacing on the facing. I use an overlock machine to tidy up the edges. So we're going to be using this to turn the neckline. This is the front part. I'll turn it to the right side. Place it right side facing right side. I'll use 1/4 of an inch to stitch it. Bring it to the slit, to the other side. I will do the same thing for the back side. I cut out the band. Remember I measured 28 inches. So I have 28.5 inches here. I cut out 2.5 inches and the fabric is folded into 2. I don't want to cut out the exact measurement of the elastic. So I want the elastic to have a bit of space inside. I don't want it to be struggling inside the case. So I will use 1/2 inch to stitch this side, and I will have 1/2 inch ease allowance for the elastic. So I'll go ahead and use 1/2 inch to stitch the side. So guys, I'm done using the facing to turn the neckline. So this is the front side. This is the back. I've also stitched my band. I turn it inside after stitching it. I will be cutting out my elastic. I will cut out half of this band. So I cut out roughly 15 inches. Half of the band is 14 inches. I just cut out 15 inches. So I will use my safety pin to insert the elastic. I want us to sort out this before joining the front and the back together. You see, I have more room. It's better this way. I need to secure this other side. I will stitch the fabric and the elastic together. I will stitch this side. So after I've done that, I will stitch the middle part. So I will pull it this way to straighten out the material as I stitch. So guys, I'm done stitching the band. This is the back. I will pin it on this side. Take this one and pin it on this side. I will lay the front and the back against each other. You can just stitch here first before joining the front and the back together. I will lay right side facing right side. So I will take this one, just take it like this. You can just stitch it here. Join the facing together. Use 1/2 inch, stitch the shoulder. We'll do the same thing for the side. After I've done that, I will join the side together. So I'll make sure they are aligned together. I will use 1 inch to stitch here. When I get to this place, I will stitch 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch. Bring it down to the side and then stitch it. I will leave about 20 inches slit. This is 20 inches. I will stitch it up to here. I will repeat the same thing for the side. Mark 20 inches right from the bottom. Grab the side. Stitch it with 1 inch, 1/2 inch here. Stitch it all the way to this 20 inches. So guys, I'm done joining the side. This is the back. This is the extension. See how beautiful it is. After stitching it, make sure you notch the side so it can lay flat. I also hem my arm opening. This is the front. I left 20 inches open. 1 inch is my sewing allowance. I will take 1/2 inch twice and stitch it. Stitch this side also. If you like, you can use hemming gum, but I just want to stitch mine. I will do the same thing for the side and hem the bottom part with 1 inch. I'm done hemming this side. For the neck facing, after using the facing to turn the neckline, I use a hemming gum to keep it in place. This is the back. We have come to the end of today's tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and share this video. If you're here for the first time, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Love you. Bye.